Alright, so I'm doing my presentation on the Boys and Girls Club. So the problem I chose is one that's affecting everyone right now, COVID-19, and they're not offering their services as they usually do to their community base every day. They have to cut back on a lot of it to stop with social distancing and to not get sick or help spread the virus if one of the workers have it. The solutions, some of the solutions I have are some of the facilities are going to remain open for children of essential workers. So for children of doctors, nurses, people who work in grocery stores, etc., essential workers, the kids will have a place to go. They'll be taught stuff in the classroom by volunteer teachers, as well as all right, just gonna real quick. All right, so they're gonna be taught by volunteer teachers in the classroom, and they'll also be doing activities, still social distancing as you see in the photos. They'll be spread out apart, and each group of students will have about 9 kids in them. And each day, the facilities will take about 50 kids, and they'll be split up into groups of 9 or 10 for social distancing to be easier. And they'll be doing different activities and stuff to keep them occupied, as well as be given lunch to keep them fed. Another solution is like many charities around the U.S. right now and around the world, they're going to be offering free lunches to kids in their community and their families. Who some kids are reliant on the free lunches at schools and at boys and girls clubs that they go to, so that they can get fed for one of their potentially 2 meals or their only meal that day. And this will help feed the children, but not only them, but their parents as well. And then the parents will be able to save money from the food on stuff they need like prescriptions, household essentials as well. And my sources.